Welcome back to the channel. This is the all-new Mercedes-Benz S-Class S580. Do not hit that skip button. Today we are tearing down this engineering masterpiece.
Welcome back to the channel, Gearshift Garage. If you are looking for the absolute ultimate breakdown of the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S580, you have stepped into the right place. Do not hit that skip button, because today we are tearing down every single inch of this engineering masterpiece. We are going deep into the breathtaking new exterior styling, the mind-bending interior tech, the executive rear seats, the brand new mechanical upgrades sitting under that long hood, real-world pricing, and our honest, raw opinion on whether it still holds the crown as the best luxury sedan on the planet. Before we dive into this ultimate walk-around, welcome to AutoVision Reviews. If you love high-end automotive breakdowns, in-depth feature walk-arounds, and unbiased supercar and luxury reviews, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, tap that bell notification icon so you never miss an upload, and drop a quick like on this video right now. Your support keeps this channel running, so smash that like button and let's jump straight into the details. Starting off with the exterior, Mercedes-Benz did not just play it safe for 2026. They completely elevated the presence of this flagship. Look at this massive front end. The iconic chrome front grille has grown larger, more imposing, and now features an illuminated border integrated directly into the body lines, studded with hundreds of tiny, three-dimensional floating stars embedded into the mesh. Resting proudly right above that grille is the traditional standing three-pointed star hood ornament, a timeless statement that tells the world you have arrived. Framing that grand grille are the newly redesigned digital light headlights. Notice the new micro-LED daytime running light signature featuring twin illuminated stars on each side. These lights project ultra-high-resolution beams onto the road ahead, projecting path markers, warnings, and custom animations when you unlock the car. Lower down, the aggressive front bumper houses functional air curtains with heavy gloss black and chrome accents that channel air smoothly around the front tires. Walking around to the side profile, you immediately appreciate the sheer scale and status of the S580. Spanning over 209 inches in length, the silhouette is effortlessly sleek, sculpted, and balanced. The doors feature flush-fitting seamless handles that pop out automatically as you approach with the key fob or your smartphone digital key. Look down at these shoes. This model rolls on massive optional 20-inch multi-spoke high-pressure cast alloy wheels, featuring an intricate 50 cross-spoke turbine pattern that catches the light beautifully whether the car is standing still or cruising at speed. The side glass is wrapped in heavy polished aluminum trim, and the long wheelbase promises incredible interior room before you even open a door. Moving around to the back, the rear design is clean, muscular, and refined. The dynamic LED taillights feature a distinct star-patterned internal graphic, connected across the trunk lid by a thick chrome accent bar that accentuates the vehicle's wide, planted stance. Down below, the rear valance incorporates a subtle integrated diffuser alongside dual chrome exhaust outlets built seamlessly into the bumper fascia. Pop the power hands-free trunk, and you are greeted by a generous, fully carpeted 12.8 cubic foot cargo space that easily accommodates multiple full-sized luggage sets or sets of golf clubs. Now, let us step inside, because this cabin is where Mercedes-Benz completely redefines world-class luxury. Sliding into the front seat, you are instantly wrapped in hand-stitched Nappa leather, open-pore darkwood trim, and real metal switchgear. The dashboard features the latest iteration of the MBUX glass infotainment display, seamlessly embedding high-definition screens across the center console and instrument cluster. The ambient lighting system inside this cabin is insane. It consists of hundreds of active LED fiber optics running along the doors, dash, and center console, capable of displaying dynamic multicolor gradients that react directly to your temperature adjustments, drive modes, and safety driver assist warnings. The front multi-contour executive seats feature 64-color ambient backlighting, heated and ventilated massage settings, and active side bolsters that inflate dynamically in real time to hold you snug in tight turns. New for this model, Mercedes introduced innovative thermal seatbelts that warm up to 44 degrees Celsius on cold winter mornings to give you a gentle, warming embrace. Audio is delivered through the legendary Burmester 4D high-end surround sound system, which packs speakers directly into the headrests and integrates electroacoustic resonators into the seatbacks so you physically feel the bass pulsing through your body. Moving into the back row, which is where most S-Class owners spend their time, the luxury hits a completely new level. The rear passenger suite boasts individual power reclining executive seats with deployable leg rests, heated armrests, wireless phone charging pads, and temperature-controlled cup holders built into the full-length rear center console. Dual 13.1-inch high-definition MBUX rear entertainment screens sit on the front headrests, complete with integrated video cameras that allow business executives to join Microsoft Teams or Zoom video meetings seamlessly on the road. You also get a built-in rear refrigerator compartment and dual detachable MBUX wireless tablets to adjust your rear window shades, climate control, and massage programs with a touch. Now, let us pop that long, sculpted hood and talk performance. Tucked under the front bay sits a massive mechanical upgrade. A brand new 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine featuring a flat-plane crankshaft and a 48-volt mild hybrid starter generator system, codenamed the M177 Evo. This new flat-plane V8 delivers faster throttle response, smoother power delivery, and an incredible output of 527 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, channeling that power through a smooth 9G-tronic 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes full-time 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. This massive luxury cruiser rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. It rides on standard Airmatic air suspension with available e-active body control, which scans the road surface thousands of times per second using stereo cameras to prep the dampers before you even hit a bump. Add in the optional 10-degree rear axle steering, and this massive sedan turns with the tight turning radius of a compact hatchback. So, what is the price tag for all this ultimate automotive luxury? The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class S580 starts at a base MSRP of around $128,000 in the US market, but when you equip it with the executive rear seat packages, Burmester 4D sound, and bespoke manufacturer interior trims, you can easily expect fully loaded models to land between $145,000 and $165,000 depending on options. Here is our honest opinion. The 2026 Mercedes S580 is simply unmatched. While competitors lean heavily into gimmick styling or aggressive, harsh performance, Mercedes stayed true to what the S-Class has always been: the absolute benchmark for effortless power, whisper-quiet isolation, and cutting-edge technology. If you want the absolute highest expression of automotive engineering, comfort, and prestige, this car reigns supreme. What do you think of the new 2026 S580? Would you buy this over a BMW 7 Series or Audi A8? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AutoVision Reviews, and we will catch you in the next one.